fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs, back with another video. I am going to do some beach coasters, which are two parts. So, oh shoot, trying to open the box while I'm talking, and that's not working. So I'm going to do the first part of it in the first half of the video, and I might add to it. I'm thinking of doing the second part on the I'm trying to think for a minute. I'm thinking of doing the second part on the on a live coming up. So if this video cuts out and you don't see the live, or you don't see the second part, that means I'll put a link below where I did the first part, and then I'll put a link below this video of the second part. I know that sounds weird. I'm trying to find two beach colors in this box I have. That's royal blue. What is this one? Aquamarine. Now that's good. What is this one? Jadeite. I don't know if that's light enough. Oh, I hate how they have these words in such small lettering. I don't know which one's the beach colors. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first part of the coaster with epoxy resin. that's my attempt at decorating these little beach gnomes. So tune in Saturday to watch me do the waves on the coasters and fool around with some of these. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. Sorry that it didn't turn out exactly like I wanted it to, but it's a work in progress, okay? I do want to give a shout out, because I always do this at the end of every video, to my grands, which is Devin, Alyssa, Tony, Jameson, Marley, and Ribbon. Grandma loves you. And all I can say is, see you Saturday. Bye for now. Love you, Bentley. Wink, wink.